I didn't stream at midnight again because my head was hurting pretty bad. But while I was taking a little break, I figured out an idea of how I can not really ping the server, but know if the server's up by the client. I meant by the, yeah, no, knowing if the server's up. And basically, I wrote this down. Maybe instead of actually making a connection to the server as a ping, the server makes a temporary host HTTP thingy, and the client pulls that every 2 seconds, and when it fails, that means the server's down because the what's called the HTTP is closed after the server is. Run it in the getch thread in the background. Also, maybe do it on the server and client mix the HTTP. So basically, meaning pull. So make an HTTP request, and if it fails, we're considering the server down. And we're going to do it every 2 seconds because that's what we did last time. Anyways, um, okay, so I'm going to do that, but we are going to, we're just going to simply host a txt file, but we're not going to pull that. Alright, so I also have in my phone notes, I have written some stuff. So it's a little bit of a lot actually. So, let me see. Okay, so one, I said make it so maybe you can send the server cert to the user before the SSL part of the connection starts. Before like the SSL handshake starts. Um, yeah, maybe we can do that. A little bit more quote unquote safer, I guess. And I also wrote to myself, what's happening with getch not printing to the side is getch is running and it's disabling Conio mode and echo so you can't see it. And you're erasing it when it's reprinting. Because I am erasing the line when reprinting in the vector. I mean, what's called when reprinting the vector in getch right here. So it's basically erasing the line, reprinting it. So what I realized I should do is I should probably, first of all, probably like std cout, say something right here, and no end line. Now this would stay, but we want to print this out even after erasing the line. So we can say that, and that's good. Okay. And then now let me copy that line. Okay. Um, Wherever we erase the line, we want to basically reprint the side message. Like right here, we want to basically reprint it here as well. Same right here. I gotta sneeze, hold on. Alright, so we're just printing it everywhere. Alright, there we go. Okay, so let's make a test file that uses that getch. We got a test file here. We're just gonna include iostream and getch getline sv from headers slash header files slash getch getline sv. Okay, let's move all this. Alright, I'll make a string called input, and that'll just take the inputs. Get input getch. Alright, Now let me go to my getch right here and disable the signal handler real quick because it's not gonna pull that. Now let me go to my test again. Okay, right here, std cout input. All right, we're gonna make an inline, and then we're just gonna say input. Oops, input. Let me just do that, just in case. All right. Now let's copy the path. We're gonna g++ test dot cpp. That's in the Linux conio header as well. Same thing, except it's gonna be Linux conio. Okay, let's run the test. Perfect. There we go. So I basically fixed it. Yeah, that's it. It was that easy, to be honest. I mean, I don't know why I didn't do that from the start. All right, we're gonna enable that. Now, this is just going to be, I guess we can say, um, char, or actually it can be a string since we just want to do it in any way. String, let's say side message. Message, all right, it's equal to, I guess we can set side message. Um, by default on the server, we're going to make just std string side message, all right, equal to, let's just say that, and then the space. Okay. Now, instead of all this, we're gonna just std cout side message. Okay. Now, let me disable this real quick. Okay, let me compile this and I'll show you. Okay, so when it gets to a space, it's a little bit weird. Say without the space. Wait. Okay, now it's acting weird. Let me just. Will this act weird? It should not. Damn it. Really? Why does it act weird with, well, let's say right here. Okay. Let's just try introducing spaces. My fucking neighbors are so annoying. Um, we'll try a space. I wanted to use a variable to print it, but let me see this. Okay, so it works perfectly fine. Oh shit, the column thing, yeah, I forgot. But the max should be limited by default to the get terminal columns. Um, Not sure why that's not working, but that's not our main focus. What if, actually, um, we pass that in? So for this, it's gonna be mode n, comma, get term columns. Not sure why that's not working, but it's okay. Um, I'm gonna put on some music and mute to focus, I guess, because I'm about to eat in a little bit. All right, perfect. So I made the getch thingy work now, and there we go. So I'm gonna go to my getch um CPP file. I'm gonna re-enable the signal handler. With this, perfect, so it's not weird looking like how it was back then. Okay, so we got that working. Let me show you the original server. Fuck. See, it looks like this, and it's very fucking ugly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to my server menu. Alright, now for the password, we're going to just um term size columns, comma, enter a password. That's gonna be there. Perfect. Now let's see. Also, let me go to my GitHub. Um, fucking hell. Getch print aside. Hmm. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this as done already. Um, already closed this. Okay, make a separate server to detect user left. Okay. Um, alright. So I'm gonna eat and I'm going to. That was pretty fucking fast. I didn't expect myself to do that fast. Oh yeah, let me run the server because I did not update the I did not see the update. It should run properly now. Also, oh my fucking god. let's run the server. Oops, it was for this one. Perfect. It runs. Now we're gonna go to this header. There we go. Perfect. So that's pretty good. Um, let me. So I got my food and I'm gonna eat and then I'll stream at, well, right after I'm done eating actually. Fuck procrastinating and shit. It's a lot more cleaner now though. I like that. I didn't expect myself to fucking do that fast. Goddamn. Um, okay. So I'm gonna do this for the server now. I mean the client now. Where's the client? Oh, okay. Const std string side msg. Where else? Oh yeah, we erased that and then print it. Okay, that's already good. Um, Perfect. Let's run this in the what's it called? Let's put this in the header first. Um, okay. Server pass message. What else? What else? Okay. Let's first. Oh yeah, we're gonna do this too. There we go. Now we're gonna go where we need input, which is not until we go down here where the message is. Okay. Um, Perfect. So this is gonna say your, hold on, const std string, say typing msg. Let's say your username. Yeah, we can say like fmt format your username. Um, Pretty much it. All right. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Client. We're just gonna make that. It's on. Oh, wrong IP. Okay. Just the loopback address. I just write the ideas. I don't even write the code that I'm supposed to do. Cause what's it called? I don't even know what I like when I start the streams, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just read off my notes of what I want to do, and then I just implement it. I don't have code ready to print or anything. Yeah. Okay. We're printing it out extra somewhere. Server's password protected. Yep, I see that. Fuck. Why did I restart the server? Oh man, it starts acting weird there. Anyways, enter username to go by. Oh yeah, I can't go up. It goes up to 12, I forgot. Say blah blah blah. Perfect. Let's run this client. I'm about to go out and shoot that fucking dog. Hold on. Has joined the chat. I do like how the cursor's flickering now. That's pretty fucking good. Okay. So let's go to the clients real quick. The getch client. Alright. And we're going to go right here. If that's true, okay, we're going to erase the line. T C out. Erase line. Okay, because we don't want that. And then we're not gonna reprint the message for the side message, of course, because we don't want that. What the fuck? By the way, I'm thinking about switching fully to Linux like I did back then because I don't really use Windows to be honest. Like even besides programming, I don't use Windows. I just think it's useless. Um, yeah, I just think it's I don't use Windows, so I might as well go to Linux to be honest. Okay, let's run that client. It should say the join messages without the side thingy. Yeah, perfect. Sends it. Okay. Hold on. Receive messages. Okay, so the messages you receive. The messages you receive. It's gonna do that. Hmm. Okay. Instead of that, let me not print the side message for texting anyways. So yeah. Why did I just do that twice? No users. Alright, let's run the client. It's pretty fast. Okay. It's a lot cleaner. It's a lot cleaner. We're gonna say um added side message capabilities to getch to my getch um and server and client getch. Alright, so that's it. So next, when I come back, we are going to, what are we going to implement? We're going to implement, what's it called? We're going to implement, let me read from my notes. What do I want to do? Okay. So we finished the getch to the side. Um, okay. Maybe in getch, when the user is typing, it sends a message to the server. Okay, so that's for real time. Alright, so what I want to do next is, alright, so I want to do this. Where's it? This. Because the other thing is about real time messages, and we don't get into that until later, I guess. Because I want to really ping the user from the server and the server pinging. So I'll do that later. I'm done streaming for now, and I'll be back later.